Bottom of the deck, the Magician. Somebody's manifesting. I bet. Somebody's manifesting, okay? They're praying extra hard. They're on their knees every night, talking, okay? To the Most High. Okay? They're talking, okay? They're praying to the Lord. Whatever y'all believe in. Let me tell you something. This person is manifesting, okay? And you could be dealing with an Aries. Now, they're manifesting because they're trying their best to stay positive about getting you back. This person is definitely planning their return. They're planning something for you. They could be planning on telling you the truth, planning on surprising you with a gift. I mean, it's a lot. This person knows that they didn't bring stability in when they were dealing with you before. And they feel like you look at them like, you have nothing to offer me. I'm tired of you playing games. And see, this person is, right now, they're trying to clear away obstacles in order to be with you. Tell me more. This person is no longer frustrated about what they did. I feel like, yes, it still bothers them, but I feel like now they're getting ready to start making action. They're getting ready to start making some moves. Because, see, the seeds that they planted with you, they definitely want them to grow. Okay? But they're back and forth with the Three of Pentacles. So, yes, they do want things to improve with you, but they're afraid that it may not because of the simple fact that there could have been a third party here that was interfering. For some of you guys, maybe somebody's having difficulties financially, and they're wanting to get that together first. So, let's see. Whatever it is, this person is trying their best not to look back at what happened in the past, or they're hoping when they come back in, you know, y'all can have a discussion and move forward. Because, yeah, this person wants to balance things out with you. They want to make things right. Look at that. I told y'all they're planning. This person wants to have a new opportunity with you. They don't want to argue with you anymore. This person, I feel like they were confused and they were fighting themselves a lot. But they're not. That internal conflict is gone. The thing is, they want stability with you. They want a family with you. They want a home with you. They want all of that. But right now, they just don't have a peace of mind. Why? Yeah, because of what they did. And see, they know when they come back, they have to work really, really hard to win back your trust. Again, for some of you, your person could be struggling financially. So they're trying their best to work really hard on getting their money together right now. So let's see. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra. But I feel like this person is moving slow because they're worried about the truth. It's like they know that you're looking for the truth. And they know that they have to tell you. But this person they move slow, okay? I mean, real slow. Clarify justice. Why is justice here? That can go three ways. Hold on. Clarify the three. Why I want to say Three of Cups. Okay, then never mind. Alright, y'all know I don't say anything about accident. If I do, it's for a reason. So, this is the thing. I was trying to say Two of Cups, but I said Three of Cups. So, for that being said, that answered my question. There's a third party here. This person needs to basically get out of some type of third party situation. So your person could be in a relationship. They could be in a marriage. They could be in some type of like business contract. There could be a legal situation. I mean, it's a lot of y'all. Take whatever fits, but whatever's going on, your person is dealing with someone else and they're needing to break away. They're trying to free themselves from this situation. You know, they're trying to get out of it. Okay, tell me more. In order to give you an offer. Yeah, they have to leave someone alone. They have to get away from someone. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but they're trying to hold on to hope that they can still have a chance to work things out with you. But every time they want to reach out to say something to you, they don't. But Spirit is saying they're going to have the confidence to, can't even describe the way that felt just coming out. Like, it was being forcefully pulled out of my, it was weird, y'all. Okay, like, I just got the chills, okay? So, this person is going to have the confidence and the stability to come towards you to give you the offer that you deserve. You're getting the Ace of Cups from this person, and it's overflowing. Okay, tell me more. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, it's a love offer. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Gemini, but I'm telling you, this person's coming back in, Libra. They're coming. Excuse me. They're coming back, guys. Look at that. And they're coming to speak their truth. They're coming to tell you they want a new opportunity with you. But they're frustrated because sometimes they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning. But this person has been going through an awakening. Somebody's been going through a transformation. They've been making some changes here. Yep. And they feel like they may not have a new beginning with you because of what took place in the past. And see, they're wanting things to improve with you, Libra. But it's like they're having a hard time because they're regretting their decisions. They're regretting a lot that they put you through. Yep, the Tower. And it landed on top of Express Your Love. So it's like, I feel like the universe stepped in. I feel it. The universe is stepping in because remember I told you this person is moving slow. They've been moving slow for a long time. So now the universe is stepping in and now it's forcing them. They're forcing them to come towards you to speak their truth. It's like now or never. See, with the Ace of Pentacles, this person is afraid that you're not going to take this offer. And there's the Sun. Clarify the Sun, please, for Libra. It's like this person wants happiness with you. Ooh, 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 no. It's like a yes, but it's a no. All right, so listen, guys. So, hold on. Okay, so your person is definitely in a codependent situation, and they're needing to walk away. And they're going to walk away. That's why there's been, like, this hold up. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn here. There's an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Your person's having a hard time because I feel like I don't pick this up from you guys. I don't feel like this is you. This is the person that has been interfering. Whoever this third party person is, they're very fiery. Like, they're very controlling, very demanding. This is the energy I'm picking up. That's why I was like, I know it's not you. For whoever, you know, for those I'm talking to. This is the other person, other man, other woman, whatever. Like I said, fire sign could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but this person has been giving them a hard time. And they're needing to walk away. But thanks to this person, your person is learning their lessons, okay? See? Because they want to start over. They want to move away from this person, and they want to start over and build something solid with you. Look at, what did I just say? Okay? I'm about to tilt my head down so I can see my face. Like, what did I just say? I told you. This person is learning their lessons thanks to this crazy individual here. We ain't gonna say they're crazy. I'm so sorry. No, I'm not. So, this person, they're crazy, okay? And they had to remove themselves from a third-party situation. They learned their lesson. They're coming towards you. They're moving forward. They're learning. They got it. Look at that. Look at that. Almost threw my deck. Okay, so y'all look. Okay. For y'all that's been riding with me for a while, y'all already know what I'm seeing. I have another fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. What I said about that other individual, I'm standing very firmly on that. There's somebody that is very controlling. Now, let me explain to you. I don't care what the sign is. What I care about is what I'm seeing. Do you see this? Do you see the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands right here? What are they doing? They're looking at each other. What does this tell you? This is a soulmate. I almost cursed. Calm down, Dan. This is a soulmate. Basically, and or, not an and or, but you know, soulmate or a twin flame, okay? And what I like about this, these two people are looking at each other. The person that was toxic, that was standing in the way, could be this individual over here. But guess what? This person has eyes for this person. This person has eyes for this person. They're coming together. Look what's in between, starting over and building, moving forward. They're like, didn't I tell you? When I pulled cards on Friday, the gift, and when I asked, marriage jumped out. I'm telling you. Oh, snap, Libra. Look at that. I'm telling you, somebody's manifesting. Somebody's staying positive here. Tell me more. And they're trying to figure out how to go about doing this because they don't want anybody ruining it this go around. They don't even want to ruin it themselves because they messed up so bad with you, it's not even funny. Yep, see? Because they know if they don't do it right, there's not going to be a victory here. It's just not. It's not. See? They want stability with you. They want balance with you. They want contentment with you. But there's still somebody in the background trying to hold on to them for financial purposes. Whether it's a love interest or a parent or friends. So let's see. Could be someone's mother. It really could. Child's mother, father, whatever. But there's a water sign here, so somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I do feel like this person is afraid that because they hurt you so many times that when they do come in to tell you how they feel, it's like you're not going to want to open up, and this is why they're not taking the leap. They're not taking the leap right now. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see? Y'all see? Calm down, Danielle. Calm down. Okay, so listen. Y'all, I told you. This is soulmate or a twin flame. Now, it could just... It's too many of y'all, okay? I can't... It's too many, okay? I'm picking up both. But listen. Regardless... Let me move this up a little bit because I want y'all to see this. Remember... They're looking at each other, right? And they're upright. These two are reversed, but what do you see that's common here? The common link. They're looking at each other still. So it's like no matter who has been trying to come in between y'all, it's like somebody's breaking away. It's like the focus is you. The thing is, y'all are, that's why I said I thought this is a twin reading. Like, y'all are mirroring each other.